guys, welcome back to Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to be talking about our experience with Imperfect Foods, what they offer, how to sign up, and what we've thought of the company so far. So a little bit of background on the company. They were founded in 2015 with the mission of reducing food waste. So I got this cute little card with my very first box, and it says, "Thanks for supporting our mission to eliminate food waste and build a better food system for everyone." And on their website, it says that they have saved 139 million pounds of food from being wasted. So I thought that was interesting information. They also have more stats that you can find on their website about how they're doing that and the goals that they've achieved thus far as a company. They also promise to deliver delicious groceries and fresh produce. And on their website, they say that if they ever fall short, they will make it right for you. So when I signed up initially with Imperfect Foods, I had heard about it a number of times. I had seen a number of ads on Facebook, but it actually wasn't until one of my friends posted about it and showed what they got in their first box that I decided to use their link to get $10 off my first purchase and went ahead and signed up. So when I went on the website, the first thing it asked me to do was enter my zip code to see if it delivered to my area, which it did. It then gave me my delivery day. It asked me for my food preferences, what the most important meal of the day was. Did I want all organic produce or regular produce? Did I want all fruits, all veggies, or a mix of items? And then they have different size boxes that you can choose from. So there was a small, a medium, a large, and an extra large box. And whichever one you select is the size of the box that they will prepare for you. And so then when it comes to your shopping period, you'll go into your account, you'll see the items that they have selected for you, but you don't actually have to keep any of those items. You could add more items, you could delete some items, you could keep it exactly the way they put it out there for you, but you can completely customize it to your preferences. So let me tell you a little bit more about that. My delivery day is a Tuesday. So in my account, it said you can shop between 3 p.m. on Thursday to, I believe, noon on Sunday. So that was my window for making any changes. And then the delivery would then be the following Tuesday. So on Thursday, I got into my account, and I want to say we had chosen the medium box. I got into my account, I looked at what they had already put into the box for me. There were a couple of things that I knew we didn't need, or I think there was one thing that I knew we weren't going to eat. So I deleted those items, and then I went shopping and added additional items to the box. I was pleasantly surprised by the prices of the items. I was a little worried that it would be much more expensive than what we normally buy at the grocery store, and that was not the case. Because I didn't hit their threshold on amount to get free shipping, I did pay $4.99 to have it shipped to my house. But for all of these items, I paid $11.99, and that included the $4.99 in shipping. That's because I had used my friend's referral code for $10 off. So it would have been $21.99, but I paid $11.99 because I had that first coupon off. I will provide my referral link for you guys. If you want to use it, you would also get $10 off your first box, and that makes it even less expensive than what you would spend at the grocery store. Next thing, as you're shopping, you can choose your frequency. So you can say, I want to get the box every week, or I want to get it every other week. So that is an option. You can also choose if you want all organic produce, if you want a mix of either. I had chosen just a regular box, but I was able to select organic produce as I was shopping during my shopping window. So there are a number of reasons why items will fall into the Imperfect company. Okay, I thought it was all going to be funky looking fruits and vegetables, and as you can see, none of them look funky. I was expecting like weird carrots or something, and it didn't happen. So the reasons that you could end up seeing items from this company, one would be cosmetic imperfection. So there's not anything wrong with the fruit, but there might be something a little bit cosmetic that the store didn't like. And I'm trying to see, maybe here on this plum, if you see right there, there's a little imperfection. So the cosmetic imperfection is one reason. There's also just having a surplus of the item. So we've got too much of this, we got to get rid of it. That might be why it hit the Imperfect company. Another reason would be if it is a short-coded item, which means the expiration date is forthcoming and a store wouldn't want it to go bad on their shelf. So Imperfect Foods can sell short-coded items, as well as discontinued items. That's another reason that you might see items with the company. And it will tell you as you're shopping why you're seeing that item. So one of the things I bought that I wasn't expecting to buy was this pasta. This is 99 cents for this pasta, and I think this is one of the ones that they just had a surplus on. Maybe people weren't buying it, and so that I added that to my box because I thought that was a good price. All of the fruits and vegetables looked pretty to me. I have already eaten one of the plums, so it came with 5 plums. I've eaten one. It was delicious. I didn't want to eat anything else until I showed you guys what it looked like in the video. But the second part of this video is going to be an update on what we thought of the quality of the food after we dug into it. So when the items get shipped to you, it ships in a box like this. There was very minimal packaging. It was this just brown paper in here, keeping it safe. A couple of the items were placed inside brown paper bags. But as you would expect with a company that's focused on eliminating waste, there wasn't a whole lot of extra packaging with the box. Now, typically, if Imperfect Foods does your delivery, you can actually recycle your box, and if you get ice packs or the silver insulated bag, you can actually recycle that with them, but I believe that is on hold right now during COVID, so that's probably something they will start back up at a later date to recycling their shipping materials. All right, let me see if there's anything else I wanted to tell you. Oh, in your account, you can create food preferences. So these are items that I always want you to put in the box for me every week. So I love strawberries. Please include strawberries anytime they're available. Or you can also do the opposite. Please never include onions. We don't need onions, so leave those out. I don't have anything in either of those categories right now because I wanted to play around and shop and see what they had and taste different things. As far as the quality, I mean, I got lemons. So when I got the lemons, it came with 4 lemons. The plums, they're minimal physical cosmetic imperfections there. The peaches look delicious. I'm super excited to taste that. I got apples. The avocados are not ripe yet, so I got 4 avocados. They're not quite ripe, so I'm going to leave those out to see if they'll ripen. I did get the organic lettuce, which looks delicious, and strawberries, which we are super excited to dig into these strawberries. Also, they offer meat, seafood, dairy, snacks, grains, pantry staples. There's so many items that you can shop for with Imperfect Foods. I was most interested in their produce, their fruits and vegetables, so that's what we ordered the majority of. I stop the video here and I'm going to come back and give you guys some feedback on how we thought the produce tasted. But like I said, I've already tried a plum and it was fantastic. So if you like plums, they were excellent. All right, thanks guys. We'll be back in just a little bit. Hey there. Okay, so this is part 2 of my review. At this point, I have had the opportunity to try all of the products that we received from Imperfect Foods, except the pasta. I haven't used the pasta yet, but let me tell you that everything we received was absolutely delicious. So I have no hesitation in recommending Imperfect Foods to you guys. If you use my referral link, you will get $10 off your first box, which makes that first box an incredible price and value for the products that you're getting. My favorites from this last box were the peaches. They were so good. The plums were also amazing. The apples were good. The lettuce, the organic lettuce, was fantastic. Pretty much everything we got was amazing. I still have 3 avocados that aren't quite ripe yet, so I haven't had an opportunity to have all of those. But honestly, the produce did not last very long. For some reason, I think kiddos think getting stuff out of a box at the house is more fun than eating it from the grocery store. So my kiddo went crazy eating all of the produce once we got it. So that's never a bad thing, getting good foods into your family. If you guys have any questions about Imperfect Foods or the program, please let me know. I did skip this week, so I won't be getting an order tomorrow. But I will be getting some again the following week. And so just so you guys know, skipping weeks is very easy. I would assume that canceling the box is also as simple as skipping. I have touched base with their customer service once since we got our first box, and they were fantastic. It was also very easy to contact them via the chat function on their website. Again, if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I would love it if you use that referral link. Thanks, guys.